I came home from vacation to this. I was devastated, confused. The damage was done. Then a friend referred me to Chosen Restoration. They met with me one-on-one for a free consultation, helping me understand my options. Before I knew it, Chosen Restoration was restoring my home. From floor and debris removal to structural drying and dehumidification, water damage from a faulty pipe, gone. I felt comfort and relieved in knowing that my home was in good hands. No job is too big and no emergency too small. Make Chosen Restoration your choice. I did.